Tim McCarthy. I'm the founder and chief executive of Hushmat. Basically, Hushmat is the easiest product to install on the planet.
Okay.
This is what you need. Basically a pair of scissors and a pair of hands, and some guys use a roller.
Okay.
This is what you need for the competitor's material.
What is all this?
You need acetone, which is a terrible chemical to clean the surface. You need heat guns, especially in the wintertime, to relax their product.
Right, degreaser.
Degreasing product, and don't ever forget the Band-Aids. You need Band-Aids with a competitive product, not with Hushmat.
Okay.
Pair of hands and a pair of scissors, you can install it all day long, doesn't cut up your hands. Okay. So our first step is going to be our Hushmat sound and thermal barrier material. It's going to be applied to the floor pan, the roof, the side walls, the firewall, and the doors. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at a straight edge. This area right here looks excellent, and we're going to start. The trimmer is going to take the scissors and just draw along this radius right here. With the round edge of the scissors actually would be better, so that you get a really good score line there. And that's going to be your trim line for the top radius of that part. Now we're going to pull it down and we're going to cut it. And then cut right across that piece. The other piece about Hushmat, save every bit of scrap because you're going to use it in really tight, small areas. None of it gets thrown away. There you go. And then you drop it down and you're going to peel that release paper back off the top. Here on that corner right there, you got a little tab. All right. Now once you get it, slide it up underneath there. See how it sticks? Yeah. There you go. Now you got it started. Perfect. That's exactly where you want it. And that's where your roller comes in. You can just use it to just really get a good bond.